saving the village with magic. Story of Smarnika, the magician. In a small village nestled between the mountains, a dark shadow loomed. An ancient curse threatened to drain the life from the land, leaving the villagers in despair. But hope arrived in the form of Smarnika, the young magician with a heart full of courage and a mind brimming with spells. Smarnika had always been different, her magical abilities sparking wonder among the villagers. When she learned of the curse, she knew she had to act. With her trusty wand and a book of forgotten spells, she set out on a quest to save her home. As she ventured into the enchanted forest, Smarnika faced daunting challenges. She encountered wild beasts, tricky illusions, and riddles that tested her wit. But with each challenge, her determination grew stronger, fueled by the love for her village. Finally, Smarnika discovered the source of the curse, a powerful relic hidden deep within a dark cave. With the villagers' hopes resting on her shoulders, she summoned all her strength and cast a spell that echoed through the cave, breaking the curse and restoring life to the land. The village rejoiced, celebrating their brave magician who had saved them all. Flowers bloomed, crops flourished, and laughter filled the air once more. Smarnika had proven that with courage and magic, anything is possible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to our channel for more enchanting tales.